Hold on to your hats because we've got some electrifying news for you. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is smashing the competition and stealing the smartphone spotlight. This powerhouse is redefining what it means to be a top-tier smartphone, leaving rivals in the dust. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is a force to be reckoned with, dominating in camera quality, raw power, and battery life. 7 months post-launch, it's not just holding its own. It's giving newer smartphones a run for their money, including the latest flagship iPhone. Talk about a showdown of epic proportions. But here's the real jaw-dropper. The Galaxy S23 Ultra flexes its muscles with a GPU that leaves the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the dust. Despite the iPhone's height-worthy 3M chip, Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra rocks a 4M Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor that blows the competition away, especially when the graphics get intense. In the adrenaline-pumping 3D Wildlife Extreme Graphics test, the Galaxy S23 Ultra leaves the iPhone 15 Pro Max choking on its dust, starting strong with 3,886 points and only dropping to 2,794 points in the 20th run. It's a showstopper. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at 3,608 points and quickly falls to 2,843 points by the second run. It's a game-over situation for the iPhone. But the real kicker is how these phones handle the heat. The iPhone 15 Pro Max starts sizzling during gaming and charging, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra remains cool thanks to its impressive vapor chamber system. It's like a cool breeze on a hot summer day. And guess what? This is a historic moment. The iPhone is getting hot under the collar and struggling with performance, while Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra is smashing records left and right. Who would have thought? Brace yourselves. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra could be an even bigger beast next year. Feeling the adrenaline rush yet? Dive deeper into the Galaxy S23 Ultra's awesomeness with our in-depth video review below. Don't blink, you might miss the smartphone revolution. Peace out.